Veddy AI has just been released, and in this review, I'm going to reveal 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about this game-changing AI software. If you're someone who's been looking to integrate AI into your business or streamline your digital marketing, you'll want to stick around for the full breakdown. Trust me, by the end of this, you'll have a solid understanding of why Veddy AI is already making waves. Before we dive in, if you're curious to try Veddy AI for yourself, I've dropped a link in the description below. You can get started for completely free, no strings attached, so make sure to check that out. Now, let's get into it. First up, Veddy AI is designed for businesses that want to leverage artificial intelligence without the steep learning curve. Whether you're a digital marketer or just a business owner looking to optimize operations, this software helps you integrate AI tools seamlessly without needing technical expertise. The interface is super intuitive, which makes it perfect for users new to AI. From automated content generation to audience segmentation, you're not going to waste any time navigating a complicated dashboard. Everything is streamlined so you can hit the ground running. Next, Veddy AI's machine learning capabilities are impressive. It adapts to your needs the more you use it. Think about tools that require constant manual input. Well, Veddy uses data to improve over time and recommend better strategies, saving you time and effort on things like keyword research or campaign optimization. If you're into CAD's data-driven marketing, Veddy AI offers powerful analytics tools that break down performance and suggest actionable improvements. This is crucial for anyone looking to scale their business, as it helps you focus on what's working and ditch what isn't. It's like having a personal AI marketing assistant always on top of your analytics. What's also great is how Veddy AI integrates with other marketing tools. No more worrying about how different software systems interact with each other. It plays well with most tools out there, so you can easily sync your CRM, email platforms, and social media accounts. It's perfect if you've already got a few systems in place and don't want to reinvent the wheel. Another major benefit is automating repetitive tasks. If you're manually sorting through content or responding to customer queries, Veddy can handle those tasks for you. Imagine the time you'd save by having AI take care of emails, chatbots, or even managing your social media posts. It's a productivity booster for sure. But let's talk about Veddy AI's personalization capabilities. It doesn't just spit out generic content. Veddy learns from your interactions and tailors its recommendations and output to your specific goals. If you're running targeted campaigns, you're going to love how it personalizes the messaging for each customer segment, making everything feel more engaging. Lastly, customer support with Veddy is top-notch. If you hit any roadblocks, their team is accessible and responsive, offering helpful resources and quick fixes. This is critical when you're trying to implement something new in your business, and you need to be sure you've got support every step of the way. So there you have it, 7 crucial things to know about Veddy AI, the best just released AI software that's shaking up the game. From its easy-to-use interface to its advanced machine learning capabilities and seamless integration with other tools, Veddy makes it easy for anyone to dive into AI-powered marketing. If you're looking for other top AI software recommendations, check the description below. I've tried thousands of AI tools, and these are my top picks you can try for free. Make sure to hit the link to get your free trial of Veddy AI and start optimizing your business today. You won't regret it.